Hi, hello. Are you ready? We are going to study some more English. Okay, so let's go. So, how are you today? Are you okay? I'm fine. I am good. Okay, let's begin. And our rules. Okay, we want to speak English and we want to listen to the teacher. Okay, because we want to speak better and better. Okay, are you ready? Let's look at some animals. What animals do you like? Do you like dogs? Yes, many people like dogs. How about birds? Birds are good. Cats? Fish? Or frogs? Many people don't like frogs. Fish? Yes, people like fish. People like cats and dogs the most. Some people like birds too. So, what animal do you like? Okay, do you like dogs? Do you like cats? Do you like tigers? Okay, what do you like? For me, I like tigers, I do, and I like dogs. Dogs are good. So, we are going to do some counting. First, what is this? What is it? It is a dog. Okay, and this one is a cat. Yes. So, how many? Like before, how many dogs and how many cats, please? Nice and easy. To start, we have one dog. And we have one cat. One dog and one cat. Moving on, I now have two dogs and two cats. Two dogs and two cats. Next, I have three dogs. There are three dogs. And there are three cats. Okay? So, how many dogs and how many cats, please? Good. Good. There are dogs and cats. So, the dogs first. How many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dogs. There are 9 dogs. 9 dogs. And how many cats? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cats. Okay? So, what I want to know is how many dogs and cats? You have to put them together. Okay? Dogs and cats. So, I have 9 dogs. I have 6 cats. 9 and 6. What is 9 plus 6? Can you tell me? 9 and 6? 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. So, there are 15 dogs and cats. Okay, let's try another one. How many this time? Dogs. Cats. There are good dogs and cats. How many dogs, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dogs? Is that right? 9 dogs again. But what about the cats? How many this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 9 cats too? There are 9 cats. So, I have 9 dogs. There are 9 dogs and 9 cats. How many dogs and cats together? Okay? 9 and 9. What is that? 9 and 9? 18. There are 18 dogs and cats. Okay? Together. Okay. Next. How many dogs and how many cats? There are dogs and cats. So, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13? Is that right? 13 dogs? Let's see. Oh, just 12 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, there are just 12 dogs. And how many cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cats. 11 cats. So, dogs and cats together. How many dogs and how many cats when you put them together? 12 and 11. Oh, I think that number is 23. 12 and 11 is 23. There are 23 dogs and cats. Okay. One more. Dogs, cats. How many dogs and cats, please? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 dogs. There are 15 dogs. How about the cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cats. So, 15 dogs and 13 cats. How many altogether? 15 and 13. Well, I think this number is 28. Thank you. It is 28. 28 dogs and cats. Okay. Alright, so let's look at this picture. What can you see? So in this picture I have many animals. And I want 5 animals that you can see. So, I can see a what? I can see a panda. Okay, for sure, there is a panda. Okay, I can see a penguin. I can see a flamingo. 3. I can see a wolf. 4. And I can see an elephant. An elephant. Okay, I can see an elephant. Number 5. Okay, what about you? What animals can you see? The same as me? Maybe. Okay, so let's move forward. Animals. Show you a picture and I want you to tell me what is this animal, okay? You tell me what do you think this is? What is this? Nice and easy? It is a rabbit. A rabbit. Okay, this is a rabbit. The next animal. What is it? Just taking some time. What is this? Have you got it? Good. It is a cat. It's a cat. Alright, this is a cat. The next animal, please. What animal is this? It's very big. Dragon. It was a dragon. A dragon. Dragon. Next animal. What is this animal? It's very beautiful. Keep going. Can you tell me? Do you know? Not yet. Okay, let's see some more. What is it? More yet? Ah, I know what this is. This is a turtle. It is a turtle. Okay? Turtle. Next one. What about this animal? Do you know it in English? What animal is this in English? We got it. This is an owl. An owl. Okay. And we have another animal. What about this? What is this? Some people like to eat this. Lives in the sea sometimes. It is a crab. A crab. Okay. I think this one's easier. Easy animal. What is it? Okay, you can say a chicken. Yes, but this animal is like a chicken. It is a rooster. But it is like a chicken. Okay? A rooster. Okay, because we are coming onto the sounds. Now, I will play a sound. Can you tell me what animal makes this sound? Okay? What is it? Alright? Let's go. You get one chance. Okay? One time, we play. So, what is this, do you think? What animal is this? Okay, I will play one more time. 2 times for each animal. Did you get it? It is a bird. It's a bird and its name is a crow. Okay, C-R-O-W, crow. Okay. Animal number 2. No? Let's play one more time. Oh, we got it. It's a seagull. Okay, no need to play again. The animal, a bird that lives by the sea. A seagull. Okay, seagull. Let's go to number 3. What could this be? One more time. Very strong animal. You got it? Let's see. Lion? It is a lion. Okay, a lion. Next animal. Animal number 4. Oh, I think you got that one. It is a monkey. A monkey. Okay, animal number 5. Ooh. I think you know this. One more time. Any idea? No? Okay, let's see. It is a rhino. A rhino, okay? You can say a rhino. Rhino or rhinoceros. Rhino is okay. It's not... Not anymore. What is that? Let's try again. What animal is this? Let's see. Did you get it? Don't think so. It is a gorilla. Gorilla. Okay, a gorilla. Number 6. I think this is a bird. But what bird? Number 7 is a parrot. This is a parrot. Okay, parrot. Okay, number 8. Dog. Very good. It is a dog. It's a kind of dog called a bloodhound. A dog. Number 9. Shall we listen again? Number 9 again. You know what this is, I think? This is a mosquito. Mosquito, okay? It is a mosquito. And number 10. It is a pig. P-I-G, a pig. Alright, very good. Let's move on. Vocabulary today. We are going to learn the names of some animals. And please try and remember. So, animals. Firstly, what are these? What are they? The animal in China. Very cute. Okay, good. Pandas. There are two, so we can say pandas. Okay, one is the panda, two pandas. Okay, what about this? Do you remember what animal this is? Alright, this is a rhino. Rhino, okay? It is a rhino. And number 3. What is this? A seahorse. Seahorse. Okay, this is the seahorse. Number 4. Well, you have many of these in this country. It is a mosquito. Okay, a mosquito. Number 5. They live in the sea. There are 2 of them. What, this is a dolphin, or these are dolphins? 1 dolphin, 2 dolphins. Okay, it is a dolphin. Okay, dolphin. Okay, so we have the animals. Did you remember them? This is another one that we did is a parrot. Okay, a bird that can speak. A parrot. Okay, that is number 8. So, let's see about this one. What is this? We call a starfish. Starfish. Alright. Lives in the sea. A starfish. So, one more time. What is this? Parrot. A rhino. I love you. Wow. A seahorse. Starfish. A panda. A man. A dolphin. 2 dolphins. A mosquito. Mosquito. Okay, so these are the animals. What is it? It is a rhino, panda, seahorse, dolphin, parrot, starfish, mosquito. Okay, so we are going to spell them. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Okay, dolphin. This one. This is a dolphin. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Panda. Which one is the panda? Number 2, the panda. Okay. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot. And this one is the parrot. Seahorse. Which one is the seahorse? This one. Alright, that is a seahorse. Next one. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. Rhino. Right there. The big one. Rhino. Next one. Starfish. Starfish. Which one is the starfish? Is it this one or this one? It is this one. Starfish. And the last one? M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. It is the mosquito. Okay, very good. Now, what was that? Look again. What is missing? Rhino. Rhino. Next. Starfish. The starfish. Look again. Seahorse. Seahorse. What's this one? Parrot. It's a parrot. Like here. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. So P-A-N-D-A. The panda. Okay, and the last one, mosquito. Mosquito. Okay, and the word dolphin. What goes here? Seahorse. Okay, look again. Mosquito. Next. What is? Yeah, no, is it this one? Yeah, this is rhino. This is a rhino. What about here? What is this one? P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Next, the big animal from China, panda. And down here, wow, what is this? Starfish. Okay, very good. So, what animal do you like? Now, I like. So, rhino, dolphin, seahorse, mosquito, starfish, panda, parrot. What animal do you like? I like a dolphin. For me, I like a dolphin. What about you? What animal do you like? Panda? A mosquito? A parrot? Maybe. I like a parrot. Okay. And what about the next question? What animal don't you like? I don't like. No, no, no. I don't like. Okay? What animal don't you like? I don't like a mosquito. Okay? I don't like a seahorse. What about you? What animal don't you like? Okay? Alright. I don't like a rhino. Okay, let's move on. Big or small? Fast or slow? Big or small? Fast or slow? So an elephant. An elephant is big or small? Fast or slow? I think an elephant is big. Yes, an elephant is big. What is this? A mouse. A mouse is big or small? Mouse is small. It is a small animal. And we have fast and we have slow. So, big or small, fast or slow? Can you tell me what animal is big or small or fast or slow? So, an elephant is, well, we know an elephant is big. Yes, an elephant is big and fast or slow? Elephant is big and slow. Okay. Next animal. Oh, this is a hamster. Hamster. Oh no, sorry, this is a mouse, not a hamster. But it looks like a hamster. It is a mouse. Is it big or small? Fast or slow? A mouse. Mouse is small. It is a small animal. Fast or slow? I think it's fast. A mouse is small and fast. Okay. Next one. A lion. Wow. A lion is big or small? What do you think? A lion is big or small? It is big. It's a big animal. A big cat. And fast or slow? Fast or slow? It's fast. And lions can run fast. Okay. A panda. Now, panda is big or small? A panda is a big animal again. But fast or slow? A panda is big and fast, or a panda is big and slow? It's slow. Pandas are slow animals. Okay. Oh, that's one. A mosquito, this one. Is it big or small? Well, mosquitoes, they are small. A mosquito is small and fast or slow? Well, I think mosquitoes, they're not so fast. They are quite slow, like to move. I think mosquitoes are slow, but some people say they are fast. Mosquitoes are quite slow compared to other animals. Okay. And a parrot. Parrot is big, small, fast, or slow? Parrot is quite small. Okay. Parrot is a small animal. Is it fast or slow? It can fly fast. Okay. Parrot is small and fast. Okay, very good. Now we have the animals again. And I want you to tell me what animal is it. Okay. I will talk about the animal. What is it? Okay. So if I say, what animal is slow, black, and white? An animal that is slow, color black and white. Its color is black and white. A panda, okay? A panda is slow, black, and white. What animal is slow, black, and white? A panda. Okay, next one. What animal is big? It's big animal. The color of this animal is orange and black. What animal is big, orange, and black? What do you think? Tiger? Yes, I think a tiger is big, orange, and black. Okay, next one. What animal is small, black, and white? Okay, so we want an animal that is small, black, and white. I think a penguin. A penguin is small, black, and white. Okay? Okay. What animal is big and brown? It is big and it is the color brown. A lion? Yes, maybe. A lion is big and brown. And what about a bear? A bear is big and brown? Yes, a bear is big and brown too. Okay. Next one. What animal is small and blue? Something small and the color is blue. A parrot? Yes, I think a parrot. A parrot is small and blue. Okay, we have a word search with the animals from today. So let's see what we can find. Oh, we have a different animal. We have a rabbit this time. So, can you find the word R-A-B-B-I-T? A rabbit. Let's have a look. We're looking for R. Here is an R, but there is no A, so we cannot. Let's keep going. R. We are looking for R. R. A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. We've got it. It's right here. Rabbit. Okay, next animal. A panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. So let's find a P. P, but no A. No. Keep looking. P-A. Keep going. Here's a P. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. We got it. Panda. Okay, next one is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Can you find the dog? Let's look together. We need the D first. Here is D, but there is no O. No. So keep looking for letter D. Here is a D, but there is no O. So keep going. D. Can you see it yet? Ah, here is a D. Here is the O. Here is the G. Dog. We got it. Very good. Next one I won. Tiger. 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 So, can you see a tiger anywhere? Tiger. Tiger. Let's start with a T. Let's look for T. T. Here is a T. The I. B. No. It's not there. Oh. What about here? T. I. R. No, that's not it too. T-I-R. I want T-I-G. So let's keep looking. Moving on. T. Have you found it yet? Tiger? I can't see it. Oh, here is a T. Sorry, T. And here's the I. G-E-R. Tiger. Okay, good. Okay, we have a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Let's find the cat. So we're looking for a C. Wow, here is a C. Here is an A. Here is a T. Cat. We got it. A lion. I thought I saw this. Lion. L-I-O-N. Did you see it? Where is it? Lion. Here. No. I-O. No. That's not it. L-O. No. Okay, what about here? L-I-O-N. Lion. Okay, we got that one. We've got one more. Elephant. The biggest animal on land. An elephant. So where is elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Let's have a look. E. Here is an E, but I don't have an L. Oh, I do. E-L-E. No, this is an I. We cannot. What about here? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Okay, you got it. Well done. Okay. That is the end for today. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye-bye.